So, angle of elevation and depression. Say you are standing here and you would like to see something at top of the building or some premises whatsoever here. So, here is the object. So, if A to B or AB the horizontal line, the angle between the horizontal line and the line of sight joining an observation point to an elevated object is called actually the elevation angle. So here are actually two elevation angle. One is 30-degree, another one is 60-degree. Again, I'm saying that AB is the horizontal line, and here actually the object, and this object is actually the elevated object. And if you are far away from the building, the angle will be less. When you more close to the building, it means your elevated angle will be more. Now it's time for depression or angle of depression. Anyways, now you actually here, you're standing here, and here are two objects at x, another one is point y, second object. Anyways, so how we define the depression angle? So again, the angle between the horizontal and the line sight joining an observation point to an object below the horizontal level is called the depression angle, right? In the following figure, if the top of the building, our observation point, so this is our observation point, when the angle of depression for person x, indeed the elevation angle will be 60-degree, and if it is for person at y, indeed the depression angle will be 45-degree. So this is the very fundamental idea about the angle of elevation and angle of depression.